Hello my lovely friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this miniature and beautiful paper quilling flower wreath hanging fridge magnet. Yes, this is the super cute fridge magnet and I will share how to make these tiny flowers with different methods. Isn't it looking colorful and very beautiful? So let's get started. First I am taking this mount board paper circle which is having 8 centimeter diameter, and inside this I have created one more circle which is having 5 centimeter diameter. So we just need to cut the inner circle using paper cutter and scissor. In place of mount board you can also use cardboard or any thick cardstock. Like this. Now I am going to cover this ring using green color craft paper. Similarly, stick the remaining portion. So the ring is ready. Now just for the finishing from back side as well, I am connecting one green color craft paper ring of the same size. Burnish it very well using bone folder, and the base ring for the wreath is ready. Then here I have some beautiful leaf cutouts in dark sap green color and light green color. So I'm just sticking these leaves around the circle from inside and outside. I have cut these leaves using beautiful die by Little Birdie. I have given link in description box if you want to purchase the same, and you can also use any kind of leaf punch which you have. Any leaf will work with these flowers, or you can hand cut simple leaf shape and stick on both the sides. We just need to make the green leafy background behind the flowers. And this is done. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I'm starting with my first tiny mini flower, and for this I'm taking 1/4 strip of light pink color 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. I will join total 4 teardrops to make one flower. For all the flowers, I am mostly using 2 mm strips only. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking blue color pearl drop, just adding one small drop inside the flower center, and we need total 6 flowers. Now for the next flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 2 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. I am going to wrap dark purple color strip around this petal. So we need total 5 petals, and I'm just joining all the petals together to make the flower. For the center of the flower, I am taking small cut white pearl. So we need 3 flowers. Now for the next flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of purple color 5 mm and making small fringes using sharp scissor. Here I am making French flower. And fringes are done. Now in the bottom, I am sticking 1/4 strip of light yellow 2 mm. And then I am going to wrap it from the yellow side and making one coil. Just secure the end and slowly remove your tool. Now exactly in the center, I am pushing using backside of the brush the yellow tight coil and then opening the fringes to make the flower shape. Make it flat nicely and the French flower is ready. The color is very nice and very vibrant, so we need total 4 flowers. Now for the next flower, I am taking half strip of light blue color 2 mm and making one tight leaf dome shape. To make dome, I am using my quilling mold. Add glue inside the dome, spread it using brush, and for one flower I am joining 3 petals. For the center of the flower, I am using light yellow color drop. So this is done. Now to make these tiny roses, I am taking yellow color 5 mm strip and just constructing my rose. If you want a detailed video of how to make these kind of roses, you can check my introduction to quilling videos. I have shown everything in detail there. This is super duper easy to make. You just need to twist your strip, rotate it, again twist it, rotate it, and continue this process till the end. Now just secure the end using glue and the rose is ready. So I have prepared total 6 roses. Now for my last flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and 1/8 strip of dark orange color 2 mm, making one leaf shape, joining 5 petals together and adding small half cut pearl in the center. So we need total 3 these kind of flowers. Now taking back my wreath, and from back side of the wreath I am just going to stick double-sided tacky tape so that I can connect the hangings. So I have already prepared red and green hangings. These are simple wooden beads. I have passed one black colored thread through this and the hangings are ready to use. So I am sticking these hangings with tacky tape, covering one more piece of tacky tape on top of this for more security. Now it's time to arrange our beautiful handmade flowers on top of the wreath. So according to your choice or according to your requirement, you can just add or subtract the number of the flowers and the color combination. And also you can change the arrangement. So this is done. Now randomly I am sticking some half cut pearls between the flowers. So wherever I am finding little gap between the flowers, I am sticking different colors of small size half cut pearl, like in purple, pink, blue and peach color, matching to my flowers. Like this. And for the finishing, I am attaching one magnet using B6000 glue exactly in the center. Just align your center bead with the magnet so that when we will stick it on the fridge or any metal almirah, it should look nice and well centered. So eyeball it and stick it nicely. And the beautiful miniature paper quilling wreath for the Christmas decoration is ready. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.